and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Vesta 67's workshop. Welcome to issue number 62 of Legends of Ferrari F1, the die-cast 124 scale model collection from our good old pals over at DeAgostini. Now, if you'd like to grab these for yourself, this lovely collection, head over to their website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Pop, and you too can be collecting these. This week we have got the Ferrari F60 from 2009, driven by Kimi Räikkönen, the Iceman, folks, yes. An interviewer's dream he was, and I must admit, I do miss him, I must admit. Right, let's have a quick scope through this week's magazine. This is the news that's hard to swallow, it says there, so going on about the car there. There he is driving the F60 during the 2009 Australian Grand Prix even. The bodywork was smoother in accordance with the regulations, featured a high elongated nose and convex side panels. There you go. The exhaust coming out the top there as well with the bodywork. Yeah. Beautiful looking cars though. There he is there in 2009, poker in the Ardennes, it says there. Quite an interesting front wing design there that we'll be looking at shortly. There's the briefing notes of it. And again, notice the difference in the wheelbase from the Arnu car, how much longer that is. And then this is Kimi going out in style. Oh, just look at him. He's got that look about him of, I really don't want to be here. Good old Kimi. Yeah, great driver, really do like him. And then there's a profile there of Massimo Rivola, who now runs the Aprilia MotoGP team. There you go. And there's Raikkonen and Giancarlo Fisichella celebrating victory at the Belgian Grand Prix. So give these a read, folks. They're well worth it. You can find out some interesting factoids. So that's the magazine done. We'll put that to one side and we'll bring the car in so we can have a looky-loo, folks. And there you go. That's how they arrive in a nice acrylic display case. I've got my plastic cover left on because you don't want to scratch the acrylic whilst I'm filming. You normally get a cardboard sleeve underneath and I've cut that off with a pair of scissors. You've got your Ferrari badge there and Ferrari F60 Kimi Räikkönen emblazoned across the front there. So what we'll do is we'll pop this out of the case and when we come back we'll just have a look around the car and see any of the little key components. And there you go, folks, there she is. So let's have a quick looky look at what we got going on here. You've got a really, really long, narrow nose there, stretching out in front of the driver. You got your side pods there in the flower vase, tapering down into the rear of the car there, over the floor, in through the rear suspension and over the diffuser there. Got a rear wing there. Look how tiny that rear wing is. It's barely there, isn't it? It's a really short, squat little thing. Normally they're right out over here. So it was a very interesting set of regulations where that was shortened. And the front wing's like a big old stable door, isn't it? It's wider than anything. So yeah, quite an interesting way of doing it there. Looking down in the car there, you've got your safety harness. You've got a PlayStation steering wheel going on. You've got your side impact protection there, cushioning for the driver's head. Pre-halo, as we know from that era. You've got your exhausts coming out the top here. So you've got the guards around the top there just to try and protect the body shell. Got a squared off floor pan there. So that air would come up under this walrus tooth. Each side of the bib, through round the barge bolts, up underneath this corbelled shape there. Let's try and stop tremoring for you. Come along the side of the bodywork and then scoot around through the suspension and out of the rump. From the front there, you can see you've got your walrus tooth wing mounts there because the nose is a lot higher. And then you've got little winglets on the inside and end plates there with sculpting and a barge board on the end plate. You've got your little scoops on the side there on the wheel covers so that air can come up through, get circulated around and vent the discs. External wing mirror mounts there with a little winglet just to guide the air around the bodywork. From the rear there, you can see the skinny little rear wing with the exhausts coming out through, and then the exhaust will come up over the top, scoot through there as well. Almost like a double diffuser effect going on. You've got one there and then you've got one buried just above it. Looking underneath the car, you've got your plank down the middle, flat floor. And then obviously you've got your little wings or gullies underneath just to try to direct air. Same under here. Little tiny barge boards hanging down. There's your jaw shot, folks, of Kimi looming up behind you in your mirrors, as you can see him about to prepare to overtake you. And then coming from the back, you've got the driver's eye look over this really long, sleek nose. And when you're following, you're just seeing the back end of that Ferrari there, little light there. But quite a disruption of air coming up over the top of the car there and blowing through this wing into your face. So yeah, quite difficult passing back in the day, but again, I'm looking at the suspension here with the wishbones, how aerodynamic they're looking now, almost wing-shaped carbon fibre going on. Got your little cameras poking out there as well. People like to see where the drivers are, all your transponders and stuff like that. Looking at the air intakes there, they're little tiny half or quarter circles even, little segments poking up there for the air to go into the radiators. But all in all, a really sexy looking Ferrari, and again looking where the driver would be sat, how his legs would be coming down and up about here. So yeah, quite an interesting design era with the raised noses. But yeah, beautiful, beautiful looking car. And it's Kimi Räikkönen, folks. What more can you say? Very elegant looking shape. It really is. It's, yeah, I do like it. So that is the 2009 F60 Ferrari, driven by Kimi Räikkönen, folks. Don't forget, if you'd like to grab these for yourself and add them to your collection, pop over to DeAgostini's website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Pop. And you too can add these to your collection. To help me out, if you can just click little fester in the corner and subscribe to the channel. Keeps the channel alive, folks. Keeps it growing. Remember to like, hype and share the video for me. Puts it out in other people's feeds. Gets them coming and watching me content. Helps keep the channel alive. In the meantime, thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Until then, stay safe and well. Goodbye for now.